I came along today because Leigh are really kindly supporting our charity Birthright with this event. It's really great to hear such a wide variety of speakers talking about different issues to do with women's rights in healthcare.
Lots of diverse aspects of women's roles to do with healthcare, but also to do with what they do in the workplace, and particularly having babies and how it impacts on that.
It's really interesting to come and hear about the other aspects of reproductive rights, which is about childbirth, about bringing up children and early years education.
Well, I've come to represent the Women's Equality Party, so I've been working on the health policy. So we're very interested in hearing about the legal aspects of women's health and also hearing women's stories and women's testimony.
Get some legal information and network with other people, just trying to get a bigger picture of what's going on, and if we had stuff in common that we can all help each other with.
My contribution is going to be about childcare and early years education.
They listed Adam as one of the people in the UK who brought the UK the most happiness.
So many of the talks were really fascinating and very moving. I knew it would be a good talk, but my expectations have been far surpassed. It was brilliant.
I think really the talks about the childbirth injuries that so many women experience that you just don't hear about, and really the idea that that really needs to be publicised and that women need to be told what to expect and to have a lot of follow-up care following childbirth.
I think there's just so many people all aware that there's a mismatch between women's needs and how it's being met and how we're being treated. This was all about awareness of women's rights, and everybody speaking. These are massive issues. It's distressing that everybody is going through these things, but also heartening that there are enough people willing to just stand up and fight.